Hi, this is MRB Animated. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Nowadays, everyone is talking about Bitcoin and Ethereum. But there are only few people who know the importance of Cardano ADA. What is Cardano? Well, Cardano is the world's first ever peer-reviewed decentralized blockchain solution, and ADA is the native cryptocurrency that powers that protocol. It was created by ex-Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson. It is considered to be a third-generation blockchain, different from Bitcoin or that of many others. Launched in September 2017, Cardano has quickly established itself in the list of the top cryptocurrencies. Here is the Cardano price prediction 2021. As per a report, 95 of ADA coins are held by Japanese people. The average predictions suggest that ADA is going to surge upward right from the beginning of 2021. Currently, it is trading closer to $1. Cardano will realize its highest value upsurge all throughout the year and might record a new all-time high. By the end of 2021, ADA could reach $10. Well, in my opinion, Cardano could be the game changer. Please invest at your own risk, as trading includes high risk of financial loss. Thank you for watching.